hurt the boy. Oh, for crying out loud! Let's get going. Calling all on that, sir.
Who are you? I saw you chasing Bart.
No, Mr. Simpson. This is the name, Mr. Simpson. It turns into the fiend who did this to your boy when you put it in water.
Ooh, classy. The fiend who did this to my boy is my boy, and besides, the doctor says it's just a bump on the toe and a broken head, nothing serious.
Doctors. Doctors are idiots.
Are you a
Doctors.
How does a nice little girl like you know a big word like that?
Mr.
Simpson.
This is hardly the time or place to discuss.
Hello, Doctor.
Lisa?
Doctors are idiots.
Hello.
Hibbert.
Well, we've got a nasty bump on our toe.
Ow! Quit it.
And a little tiny broken head.
Ow! Quit it.
Is he well enough for me to start with mothering him unbearably, Doctor?
And
Simpson! Mr. Burns wants you to march into his paper cup right now.
Ah, Simpson.
Oh, I stand corrected. $1,000,000 is okay. It's medical school.
With all due respect, Mrs. Simpson, you're not a doctor. Doctors are idiots. The only person in this room who even comes close is this man. Doctors are idiots. How are you, Bar? Wrong! You are not fine! You're in constant pain!
I am in constant pain.
Wrong! You're not in constant pain!
Hey! I should be able to run over as many
Mr. Burns?
as I want.
Bartholomew J. Simpson.
I must warn you that if you continue to disrupt the court in this way, I will have to cite you for contempt.
Defenseless trial to 3 o'clock.
Luckily, I was.
Oh, my goodness.
I think we should take it.
Well, hello.
My name is Orange. Homer, look at me.
All right. Look at her if it'll shut her up. Start with the feet. Still angry. Good. Good, Homer, good. This is tough. Need refreshment. Oh, good old trustworthy beer. My love for you will never die. All right. Gotta look at the wife straight in the eyes and tell her,